Hi friends, this is Suvarna Keshav from Suvarna's Hobby World. I'm back with another travel video. So we'll be seeing two places near Mysore, the Gommatagiri and Sagarakatte, both about 25 kilometers from Mysore. We need to take the outer ring road from Mysore, travel on the Hunsur road and take a right turn at Yelavala and then again a left turn at Gungral Chatra. So that will take us to Gommatagiri. So please join me friends. Let's go. So we have reached Gommatagiri now. Gommatagiri is a 50-meter tall hillock in Hunsur of Mysore district, Karnataka. It is an 800 years old Jain pilgrimage center and we need to climb about 50 steps to reach the top. Even though there are just 50 steps, the climb is quite steep, and this is the view from halfway. We have reached top of Gommatagiri now. This is the bird's eye view from the top. It was not a strenuous climb, however. This is the 20 feet tall monolithic statue of Bhagavan Bahubali. Peace dwells on the face of this divine statue. 75 years ago, Mr. C.B.N. Chandraya, a trekker, explored this place and later it was renovated. The two serpents on either side of the statue are very unique. However, this place is endangered due to incessant quarrying activities around the temple. We have the Sammeda Shikharji here. This is the land of salvation or moksha for the Jain Tirthankaras. Sagarakatte is a tiny hamlet 25 kilometers from Mysore. Look at the beautiful backwaters of River Kaveri. Look at the huge expanse of the backwaters here. Come, let's touch and enjoy the water now. Wow, it feels so cool and refreshing. There are some coracle rides also, but personally I don't recommend it as they don't provide any life-saving jackets here. Here are some beautiful green tall trees and some fields swaying to the rhythm of the cool breeze. This is the Sagarakatte bridge. It connects Yelavala to KR Nagara. There are two bridges here, one for vehicular traffic and the other is a railway bridge. A picture perfect place. River Kaveri in all her calmness. The railway bridge cuts across the river Kaveri to give a magnificent view of the river on both sides of the track. We were lucky enough to see a moving train here. This being the twilight hour, the setting golden sun is imparting a golden hue to the whole environment. It looks heavenly. Thank you, friends. That's all for now. Bye.